In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for research. This beginner-friendly guide will help you gather information, summarize topics, and explore ideas more effectively. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with research. For example, I might type, "Explain the basics of artificial intelligence in simple terms." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a detailed response, providing explanations and key information about the topic. If I want more in-depth research, I can ask Claude to expand the topic, provide examples, or break it into sections. For example, I might type, "Give me a detailed overview with key points and examples." Claude can also help summarize long content, compare ideas, or answer specific questions. If I have documents or sources, I can upload them and ask Claude to analyze and extract insights. Once the research is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for reports, study, or content creation. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for research. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.